All right, so for this first problem, what it wants you to do is you're going to read the situation, and then you're going to try to sketch a graph of what the situation could look like. And this is similar to what we did a little while ago, and we actually did really well with it. But so it's just a little bit of a refresher. So also the two things that we're going to need to look out for as we do this are the vertex and the zeros. So we want to find what's going to tell me the vertex and what's going to tell me the zeros. Okay, let's go ahead and read this. Armani is really excited to finally be back playing sports at school. He is on the basketball team. At the game against Spear, Armani had a really nice assist to his teammate where he passed the ball 30 feet across the court. The ball reached a height of 8 feet, going just over a player from Spear before he knew what happened. Plot the quadratic path of the ball on the graph below based on this information. So let's think about this. I like to start with the zeros because that's going to be, usually it's a little easier. We'll see. So if we think about these zeros, remember the zeros are going to be the x-intercepts. So what's going to tell me an x-intercept? Well, usually that's our distance. So, we can think of it like Armani's standing here and he passes the basketball. So the basketball is going to start here, and he passed the ball 30 feet across the court. So it's going to go up somewhere, I don't know, but it's going to go 30 feet across the court to here. So that would be the first 2 points, our zeros. Then we have the vertex. And remember, vertex is usually related to the height. So how high did it go? Well, it tells us the height of 8 feet. So 8's going to be up here, but the question is, did it go up to 8 feet and then fall all the way down here? No, it's going to follow that quadratic. Well, we need to remember that a quadratic is symmetrical, so we have to think what's halfway between 0 and 30. Well, that would be 15. So that's where it's going to finally hit that maximum point, is halfway between, because it's symmetrical. So that's the key here, is finding that line of symmetry. It helps sometimes to kind of draw that imaginary line. You don't need to, but you could have. That can help sometimes. And then when you do problems like this, I do want you to connect them. It doesn't need to be perfect, but we know it's going to go up. It's going to go through that vertex and then come down and land there. So it doesn't need to be perfect, but something like that.